Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ariba from Emaan Power. You know, a lot of the time when I want something, I'm all the time thinking about it. It's on my mind. I'm thinking about it, I'm looking at it in the market or wherever it is, and I'm thinking of what it will be like when I get it, what will I do with it. I'm thinking of ways to get it really quicker. How can I get it? How can I get it? And I hope, sometimes it is the same with you, isn't it? When you really want something, maybe it's an Xbox or an iPhone or an iPad or a bike or Legos, whatever it is. When we want something, we are thinking about it a lot. Maybe you're making deals with your mom and dad. Mom, dad, if I do this, can I get it? If I do that, can I get it? You're talking to your friends about it. You are thinking of ways that you can get it. What will it be like when you get it? What will you do with it? You're imagining yourself with it. It's on our mind. And it just makes us want it more and more. The only time we stop thinking about it is either we get it, then we are using it, or if you say, oh, I'm not going to get it, so forget about it. But what is the thing that we want most of all, that we can never really forget about? What is the thing that we want most of all? It is heaven, paradise, Jannah. That is the thing that we want most of all. And, if we really want it, we got to be thinking about it all the time. It has to be in our mind all the time. If somebody is not even thinking about Jannah, they don't even think about it, just thinking about things, do you think they really want it? Probably not so much. With a lot of these other things, like the toys and gadgets and stuff, there are so many TV ads, people are talking about it, there are posters, there are shops reminding us all the time. But what about paradise, like the best thing ever? Nobody's really talking about it. Sometimes, now I'm talking to you about it. We don't see any TV ads about it or posters about it, like the best thing ever, come to paradise. Right? We don't see any ads like that, posters like that. So nobody's really reminding us. So we forget. That's why we gotta dream about paradise. Remind ourselves, imagine ourselves, work on reminding yourself what it will be like when you enter Jannah, when you are there. What will your paradise will be like? What will you have there? Jannah is real. And the more you think about it, the more you will remember how real it is. And if somebody is not thinking about it, they will forget about it. They will even stop working for it. It's not so real for them. In their mind, it's not real. Because they don't even think about it. They don't even work for it. It is forgotten. And then the chances are they probably never get to their goal because they're not even thinking about their goal. But for a Muslim, our goal is heaven. We know Jannah is there and we want to go there. That is our goal. So we think about it and we work for it, inshallah. Your meeting with Allah is going to happen. It is going to happen. No doubt about it. One day you are going to meet Allah. This is no fairy tale. This is not just something people just say, oh, one day. This is going to happen, and every day that goes by, you are coming closer and closer and closer to that meeting. Less time is left before you are one day standing before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What will that meeting be like? What will that meeting